Hello everyone. Now we will start with a new topic as a part of ABAP object-oriented programming, and our new topic is persistence class. We all know we have four types of global classes: usual ABAP class, exception class, persistence class, and unit test class. And now we are covering which type of global class? Persistence class. Now, why we require persistence class and what is the need of persistence class? The purpose of persistence class is to perform database operation. It means whenever we want to go for database operation, with the help of classes. So SAP provided a dedicated type of class, that is your persistence class. If you remember, in core ABAP also, we have the topic database operation. At that time, we covered that total we have 5 database operation: select, insert, update, delete, and modify. Now, if you want to perform database operation with the help of classes, with the help of ABAP object-oriented programming, we will always make use of persistence class. We can insert the records to database table. We can update the existing records of database table. We can delete the existing records of database table with the help of persistence class. Now, whenever we will create a persistence class, the name must start with CL, compulsory. If you are not giving the name starting with CL and you are creating a persistence class, system will never allow. It will always give the error. Whenever we are creating our own class, we all know first letter should be Z or Y. After that, CL word is compulsory if you are creating a persistence class. Now, maximum time people ask this question: can we create a usual ABAP class which is starting with CL? See, for usual ABAP class, there is no restriction on the name. You can give the name starting with CL. If you are not giving the name starting with CL, no problem at all. For usual ABAP class, the system will accept any name after Z or Y. It is not compulsory. But for the persistence class, it is compulsory that after Z or Y, the first thing which you need to give must be CL, must be CL. Now, suppose if I will go to SC24 transaction code, we all know for the global classes, we need to go to which particular transaction code? SC24. Suppose I'm giving some name to the class which is not starting with CL and I'm trying to create a persistence class. Suppose I'm saying Z persistence class for order. Suppose I'm giving this name. After Z or Y, I'm not giving the name starting with CL. I'm going for create. I will go for class. Suppose I'm giving short description. Persistence class. And now I'm choosing the radio button, persistence class. I'm choosing the radio button, persistence class. And now I'm going for save. Have you seen? I'm getting an error. The class name PER class underscore order is not permitted for the class type you have chosen. So whenever you are going for persistence class, compulsory name should start with CL. So I will give the name starting with CL. Suppose I am saying ZCL order header. We will create a persistence class for order header table because we are dealing with database tables. We are going for database operations with the help of persistence class. So I am giving a meaningful name that we are creating a persistence class for order header table. Now I will go for save. I will go for local object. Now you can see we have not got any error. System is allowing us to create a persistence class. Now, whenever you are creating a persistence class, have you seen these 5 methods came automatically? These 5 methods came from this particular interface. This is SAP interface. Whenever we are creating a persistence class, these methods, this interface, and these methods of the interface automatically appear whenever you are creating a persistence class. See, we have not given this interface, and you all know how interface method are appearing into class interface name tilde operator method name. If I will go for this particular interface, you can see these are the 5 methods of the interface which automatically appeared in our persistence class. We have not given anything. They came automatically. And yes, we will use in the future. Yes, depends upon the requirement. Now we will go to methods tab. We already covered the purpose of persistence class is to perform database operation. It means in this persistence class, we need to pass the name of database table. Suppose we have the order header table. You all have order header table and order item table. Suppose in this order header table, we will insert the records through this particular persistence class. With the help of this persistence class, we will update the records of this database table. With the help of this persistence class, we will delete the records of this database table with the help of this persistence class. Now, how we will give the name of database table? Simply go for go to. And we have an option persistence representation. Click here. Now, whenever you will click, system is asking the name of the table. Pass the name of the table. And now press Enter. Have you seen all columns of the table is appearing here? So what is the summary of this particular video? In this video, we started with our next type of global class, that is persistence class. Whenever you want to perform database operation with the help of classes, so SAP provided a dedicated class, that is persistence class. We can insert, we can update, we can delete the records of database table with the help of our persistence class. Compulsory, the name should start with CL, otherwise system will never accept. Whenever you are creating a persistence class, whenever we are creating persistence class, one SAP interface automatically come and interface methods are automatically appearing into our persistence class. Now, our requirement is we will go for database operation to our order header table. So how we will give the name of our database table? You can go to persistence representation and pass the name of your table, for which table you want to do the database operation. Whenever you will pass the name of that table, all columns of that table is appearing there. Now, rest part of this we will continue in the next video. Thank you.